Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create new site in Wix, updated. Open Wix, sign in and click Create New Site, then pick a category. Select Editor or ADI depending on comfort, choose a template, and replace placeholder text and images. Set up pages, menus, and footer, then configure SEO basics like page titles and meta descriptions. Preview on desktop and mobile, test links, and publish when everything looks right. In this video, I will explain how to create new site in Wix, updated. Start by setting a clear visual hierarchy for headings, subheadings, and body text. Use container strips and columns to align elements and maintain consistent spacing for a polished appearance. Choose a readable font pair and limit colors to your main palette. Replace demo content with real images and concise copy, then preview the site across device views before moving on. In this video, I will review how to create new site in Wix, updated. If you are finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: check out the product seen here. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, great for reading on the go and fiddling with site copy between meetings. I put the product link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to create new site in Wix, updated. Go to Site Settings to configure fundamentals like site language, time zone, and business info. In SEO tools, add site verification and sitemap settings to help search engines find your pages. Connect analytics and set up forms for lead capture. Review privacy and cookie settings if you collect data. Save frequently, and create manual backups before major changes to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.